Hi everyone, thanks for purchasing my deliverable tracker off of Etsy. Or if you're just coming across my YouTube channel, please leave a like and comment and check out my Etsy, which will be linked below. All right, just a brief summary of how this dashboard works. Everything at the top is auto-generating. So this date says April 18th. If the date tomorrow is April 19th, it will show April 19th when it's tomorrow. So this is automatic. You don't have to edit any of these top cells. This is all dashboard information. Likewise, if I were to change this from delayed pending to complete, you'll see that all the information at the top, even this progress bar, updates automatically. Okay, couple things as you are going into the spreadsheet to be wary of is this rank column and this days left column. These are going to have specific formulas within them that shouldn't be edited. Now, if you do edit them by mistake, or if you do edit them, you can always go and re-download the spreadsheet and then just copy paste your tasks and due dates from your current spreadsheet into the new one, so that you can kind of reset things. But just going off how to actually use the spreadsheet. A lot of times people like to go in and delete the information like this. You won't touch the rank column and delete it like this. But I wouldn't recommend this. Instead, I would recommend going from the bottom of the table, and you can select from these panes right here. And then you can go all the way up. So let's just select to the top here and leave the first row right here, because this will be the actual table to work off of. And then you can right click and then you can hit delete. Okay, so this still leaves all the tables and all the formulas intact. And then you can delete out this information. Oops. And you can also delete out this information right here. But remember, we don't touch the rank formula and we don't touch the days left formula. Okay, now let's actually start to build this spreadsheet. So let's say we want to make a housekeeping tracker. So we're going to go here and we're going to say clean bathroom. All right. The task owner, that will be me, Sean. The due date will be 4/19/2026. Okay. And then the category will be housekeeping. And priority, let's put this as critical. We can also select a status. It's going to be, well, not started yet. Okay. Next, we can add another one. Let's say let's clean the kitchen. We will put sky, and we'll put this also as 4/19/2026. Housekeeping again. This time we will put this as medium, and let's say that it is in progress. Okay. Let's just keep going and adding items. And as you can see, as items are added, all this information updates automatically. And you can always go in and edit stuff. So let's say if the kitchen was completed, we can just put complete and all this information updates. You can see when things are marked as complete, the upcoming deadlines notes that, and now we only are showing, clean bathroom for Sean. And then once there's 5 lines of data, these NAs will disappear. But yeah, that's a brief overview of how to actually use the spreadsheet. And as you fill in more data, you'll get better results. There's also a Google Sheets version as well. It's going to work in pretty much the same way. The dashboard is a little bit different just due to the internal capabilities that Google Sheets has. So this is the Google Sheets spreadsheet, and it works in the same way. So if I were to change this from not started to complete, you can see that all the data updates automatically. If I were to change this from a medium priority to a critical priority, this table updates as well. Okay. And then it works the same way where if you go and you select, oops, I don't want to drag, I want to select. So maybe we'll use the shift and the down key. So we select all these cells, then we right click, and then we delete all these rows except for the top row here. See that we can add another row in as needed. So maybe laundry right here. We'll make the owner Jake. And the due date will be 4-19-2026, tomorrow. Priority or category, housekeeping. Priority, we get to select from the bucket. This will be low. We don't care very much about the laundry here. And not started. So you can see that all these projects that are not complete are marked on here. Let's see if we did change this to not started. This information will go here. You don't have to worry about any of these little errors. They will just disappear when you have at least 5 tasks in there that are not complete. But yeah, so if I was